So it is that time of the year again. We are now less than 2 months away from Apple's next major update, iOS 27 Developer Beta 1. Keep in mind that WWDC, the Worldwide Developers Conference, has now been confirmed by Apple. So it's going to be from June 8th through the 12th. Now, on Monday, June 8th, that is when Apple holds what they call the State of the Union address, which is where Apple shows off their latest advancements on their operating system for the entire ecosystem of products and platforms, including iOS. So today, I'm going to do my best to sort of give you guys an idea of which devices will be supported by Apple's next major operating system, iOS 27. Again, the first beta will be available on Monday, June 8th, at WWDC, which is Apple's annual Worldwide Developers Conference. I want to start off with the devices that we know it's 100% chance that you'll get support for iOS 27. So obviously, if you have any iPhone 17, so you have an iPhone 17, 17 Pro, even the iPhone Air, iPhone 17e, you will 100% get support for iOS 27. That is without a doubt. We know that for sure. Now, iPhone 16, any iPhone 16, whether it's the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, any iPhone 16, 100% chance that Apple will support this device with the next update, iOS 27. And now iPhone 15. So the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, the entire iPhone 15 lineup, you will 100% get support for iOS 27. That is without a doubt. Over to the iPhone 14. I believe it is 100% chance that you'll get iOS 27 support on the iPhone 14 lineup. By the way, this is such a beautiful color. I wish Apple would bring this back. Take a look at this titanium device. I really like the iPhone 14. I'm not going to lie. Probably one of my favorite devices from the latest new iPhones. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 13 lineup. I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking, will the iPhone 13 get iOS 27 support? It's been several years now. And I have to say, I believe there's 100% chance that all iPhone 13s will get support for iOS 27. Keep in mind, the iPhone 13 is about 4 years old, and Apple will continue to support this device, I believe, for at least another 2 to 3 years with software support. So let's jump over to where things start to get a little bit more questionable. iPhone 12. Now, if you have an iPhone 12, whether it's iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, in my opinion, I believe the iPhone 12 has a 70 to 80% chance of getting iOS 27 support. Now, let's go ahead and move over to the older devices on the list, which is going to be the iPhone 11 series and the iPhone SE second generation, which all fall in the same category. Now, based on my experience, I believe the iPhone 11 has about a 40 to 50% chance of getting iOS 27. Now, keep in mind that Apple could surprise us and perhaps support the iPhone 11 and iPhone SE2 with iOS 27, but personally, I think these are going to be the devices that will be dropping from the list this year. That includes the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and of course the iPhone SE second generation. And again, these are going to be my prediction on which devices will be supported by Apple's next major operating system, iOS 27. Let me know in those comments down below which devices you think will be dropping from the list. Again, any iPhone 13 on up, I think you have 100% chance. iPhone 12, anywhere from 70 to 80, which is still a high percent. And the questionable device, iPhone 11 series and iPhone SE second generation. I'll keep you guys posted. Again, these are going to be predictions. Official list on Monday, June 8th at WWDC. I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.